So the name automated analysis talks a lot about itself, and automated analysis is basically something wherein we'll be using some tools to analyze the software, and these tools are not actually anti-malware softwares, but we'll be using automated processes. And even there are some websites, and I'll be showing some websites to you guys to see if the hash is available in some database, and if it is available, and if the hash value or signature is available, then you should not waste your time in analyzing the malware, and you can directly declare it as malware. So in the next video we'll be setting up our analysis lab, and we'll start with the practicals of malware analysis. I have wasted a lot of time, and for people who are beginners, these videos, all videos were for beginners, and from now on we'll start with the practical part.